Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make spinach dip in a crock pot using an easy method. This recipe is incredibly simple and yields a wonderfully warm, creamy dip that everyone will love. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet evening. We'll go through each step, ensuring your dip is a delicious success with minimal effort. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients for this fantastic dip. You'll need one 10-ounce bag of fresh spinach, or if you prefer, a thawed and well-drained package of frozen spinach. Next, grab an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, cut into small cubes to help it melt evenly. We'll also use 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, and half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, 2 cloves of minced garlic will add a wonderful aromatic touch. Now for the incredibly easy preparation steps. Simply add all of your gathered ingredients directly into your slow cooker. That's right, no pre-cooking or complicated layering needed. Just combine the spinach, cream cheese cubes, sour cream, mozzarella, Parmesan, and minced garlic. Give everything a good stir to ensure it's well mixed. The cubed cream cheese will help it melt smoothly into a creamy, delicious dip. It's truly a dump-and-go recipe. Once all your ingredients are in the slow cooker and stirred, it's time to cook. Cover your slow cooker and cook the dip on a low setting for 2 to 3 hours, or if you're in a hurry, on high for about 1 hour. Remember to stir the dip occasionally to help all the cheeses melt into a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. When it's hot and bubbly, switch your slow cooker to the warm setting. Serve this delightful dip with tortilla chips, crackers, or crusty bread, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.